Hey guys, summer might almost be over, but the grilling season isn't. Today we're making smash burgers. Alright, so we've got our temperature set to medium both sides. It's warmed up for a couple minutes. And we're just going to put some bacon down because honestly, burgers much better with bacon. I cut mine bacon in half, honestly, just so that it fits better on the bun when it's done. I don't have a lot of bacon hanging off, and I get more bacon in every bite instead. Just a personal preference thing. And being I've got about 4 people eating dinner tonight, we're going to do about a half pound of bacon. Just press it down a little bit here and there just to keep it kind of from rolling up. Bacon's just about close to being done. It's kind of crispy. Got some good drippings over here, so we're going to add our onions and get those started. Okay, so our onions are still going, they're down, but we got some different tastes now. So we're gonna do some burgers our normal way. And so we're gonna use today, we're gonna use some 85-15 patties, and they are Angus. But we're gonna use just some seasoning salt, a little bit of Worcestershire. We're gonna do a few burgers that way. So we're just gonna hit them on the one side and get them going. We're just gonna hit them on this side, mix some of the Worcestershire, a couple drops per one. Let it just kind of soak in. And go on from there. Alright guys, so we got our burgers patties here again, 85-15 Angus. We got our onions down, and they're pretty much, they're done a little more than what most people would like. But I like mine a little darker, a little more done. So we're gonna run our smash burgers out. So basically, pretty much what you're doing, you're just getting your burgers on, getting a little bit separated from the stuff on top of them. Just smash them. Cook a little quicker. Probably not going to be your medium rare. They're going to be good when they are done. Hit them with a little bit of the seasoned salt. A little bit more of the Worcestershire on these ones. And let them go. Ourselves a couple of sesame seed bones here. Delicious. The nice thing about toasting them is you can end up making it where that juice ain't gonna make it like a difference too when you put it on there. It'll just toast up and it'll soak right in. Down here on the trailer. Now the other ones before they get too far along. Put them on our cooling rack. little bit on the warm side. I'll tell you that much. And if you want to come over here real quick, we're going to throw a little bit of bacon on these. Just like that. And I like to take mine a little bit. I'll throw a little bit of Kansas City style sauce on mine. And that's what I like to do. You guys can do what you want. But to me, that is an awesome burger. Boom. Tell me what you think, guys. But that to me looks like dinner.